Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OieIcon theme. So, as you can see from these pictures, they're meant for the KDE Plasma desktop environment, but they work on pretty much everything. The main thing is it's like a redesign of it's like a mixture of the Numix and Papyrus icon themes. Like if you don't know what Papyrus is, I'm using that icon theme here, but it's also like a reimagining of Breeze. So it's a big mixture of all of them. So if you like the default look of the KDE Plasma icons, but you want something a little bit more remixed, that's what we'll be doing here. So to get started, you need to download the icon files, and you can do that through Git. So make sure you install the Git app here, and there are instructions in my article in the link in the description on how to do that for every single distro, pretty much. Then you copy this git clone command, open up a terminal. If you don't have one already open, download the theme. Now the theme file is going to be in the, where do we go? In the OieIcons. So you can run the ls command and you see there's a bunch of stuff in here. Alright, so now that we have the files, we can move the icon theme into the icon folder. So there are two ways you can install. You can install as a single user, or you can install as system-wide. A single user means that only my user account that installs the icons will be able to access it. I'm going to do it that way. So to do that, I'm going to run the following command. Now I can open up my appearance settings like so. We can go to icons, and I have a huge icon list, and we see OieIcons. Now, everything looks so much different now except for my Pocket Cast icon here and a couple others. It's really interesting. It doesn't cover every single app because, icon themes take a long time to build, but it works in XFCE, which I use. It'll also work on KDE Plasma if that's what you use, which the icon theme was, what it was intended for, but it'll work on anything. And if you're looking for something a little different, this is something I definitely recommend. Very interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out this icon theme, and I will see you guys in the next video.